Buyande.
Umepotelea?
Nakikuwa chenchiliga.
Zazi ndio zinakwa chenchili wakini
Nche ngorwa abana gusema sana.
No, kiramo kunguyo nkomange na kyota nyome irore sino. Tatso no muntu bwate kibesara kiya sencho yokobe extravagant. N'abakungu bakamukura. Agatiko mukungu mona gachiko nyoma nyoko. Kwa kuboneka yafata n'umuntu onananserevo.
Korore ntunkira kare kulite. Ono okumino kabona wandorore.
Ago ukoba mwete ni muri boy muri ka. Mwete koba kampaka. Koba itanata. Imma. Oyi wona ko. Ochi. Oyi ko. Oyi wona. Muwa ko. Najibesa.
Ngwa kande yak. Alganero. Na wate byutema.
No me tra nguru. Chinza chinda goteba kora musoro rarengerera. Omanye mwango litangani. Iga ikoro kunga mwage sare.
Wati omugano yoiga ayemo aseyemo mechi maburo.
Ota Studios. Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Twatire kuma Geni Uhuru maine ochire kuma Geni Uhuru maine ochire kuma Uhuru Superstores.
Uhuru Superstores neduka egotoka imemo chokisi eyo egokoneria ebinto au oragani asenka yao ase amagoria insemono. Uhuru Superstores nigebwate ebinto byo tumeka nyomba bunabono obosibwe chitabati bwe brand au eskari amabuta yechingeni obosibwo korugera kisabuni amabere nebinto binde evinge boigonko ne bale bintu byo kwagachira bunabono amabati yechi brand au buna MRM na dumu amabati yechi kala au ayo akwa ase e warranty emyaka 5 nevere goika emyaka 15 na boigonko ne bale esimiti ko ne bale deformed bars chitanki cha mache chichi size au emesumari crown paints nebinde evinge. Uhuru Superstores boigon korentra bari amoyo ogotumeka asomogondo ayore DAP urea CAN boigo chimbusuro cha Kenya Seed boigon konya bari
aye nsibere binde bibwangu bangororaje mongino na byakanyete para nanda na bako chenche kari by the way aye re go Uhuru Superstore igeka nori tiburi agorire ayo muntu uri obwate biasara by the way nabono kamati yano imote byatege bintu byegiosi kinobirega byonde bichungu nzima ya yerre go Uhuru Superstore nanderi bori
asa mange batare ase duka yabo imemo chobo songo ase amagacho a Uhuru Complex angende roundabout nyagitari ya General gose KTRH barabare nebengi ya Credit Bank gose obakere simi goitira se number 0111161 na boigo na bokubarikira email otomase info@uhurusuperstores.com gose customer care@uhurusuperstores.com boigona bogotara website yabo ya www.uhurusuperstores.com. Uhuru Superstores, guaranteed quality product at the lowest prices.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Edu computers neduka yabeireke ogokorera obokoreri bogokoneria chi computer chi laptops amone binto binde binge asigeka egetambo bono nigo bagotoka imeyo mucho busongo asamagacho a Uhuru Plaza yibone korokwa Alisa Plaza ase floor entangani mbarabare na marigiti gosekisi market sangene chibucheri. Edu computers nigo bagokora obokoreri au bunabono nkoni abari chi laptop chi brand au chi computer accessories storage facilities bunabono
chi flash disk, memory cards, hard disk nebinde. Wigo nkorwa bare obokoreri bwa software installations, computer repair, nkoni abari chi data transfer cables, chi mouse, chi laptop bags, chi power banks, earphones, keyboards amono bokoreri bonde obonge. Nigo bako igora kereri kulie wiki gochakera ense ya moya mabia wika chinse ibere chabo tuko na se weekendi litukulia Jumamosi gochakera chinse ibere cha mambia wika ensa eyemo ya magoroba. Asa mange na boku bakire simi wetera sen number 0702 610894. Tarira Edu Computers unyari kwenyorera obokoreri.
Eye Nkisi TV amandegere y'umugusi.
Alright, tambia mono kegima mwancho muligererio Kisi TV ogenderete kubwate murobire bonyoni mambia rero nensemo ya gatatu nende yo mwerio abasoma ginitanya rigwikirana ase studio ndo chikonyara gokwandira igoro yeritko ri abantu bari banchita matoke nichikonyara gokubekire mesa ya norre bune komekando chondi ya kunya smile gakomera mate. You are going to see him, nimeamua kumpatia space yake. Kurendeza karibu sana mwancho muligererio Kisi TV live Facebook togotoka buna Kisi TV tubate Instagram TikTok muna X account buna Kisi TV website yetu nigere www.kisitv.co.ke amana YouTube live astogotoka buna Kisi TV na bairira yo kunyara gokwana no mwakili of which ngo kunyara kumobeka Wilkins Ochoki aselaine emambia rero tukunyara gosanga igoro ya katiba at 14 nante ebyo birengere bya embirebi igoro ye katibe yiga ekere kunyara gosoa emyaka 14 ritko lya rero abasaiba Gen Z they want a referendum. How is it going to work? Is it easy? Good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, karibu sana sa studio. Yes, nakupata. Unanipata?
Yes, nakupata.
Korokwa mukwani muligererio motebi na kyokoro kwa na bataro chibicha yao ngwetera sesini.
Bia mwana Joana ziri dango ku Wilkins Ochoki. Yo mogakande omwakili nde I'm based in Kisii town. I'm happy that you've given me a call. Tima I think you can go to studio amatukaya.
Think onenga wae but
ndoroka ne TV na incherimo. Yes.
We are eventually going to do that. In fact, before the end of the week, I saw on Thursday it is Individual Rights Day. Labda tutatafutana hiyo siku.
Asante.
But katiba is at 14 years.
That is correct.
Wakili, ndio kunyara gochengere myaka ye 14 kurwe katibe nyara gocha. Maybe is there that clause as a katibu kunyara okiri whatever this since it came ya nyara gokonya gusi aletre maonchole ligete ime ya Kenya.
Nchombo luno mwakili kwanza umaite katibe yeno yetu wa enyorete. Ntu wawate referendum earlier in 2005. Yukurunga ya orange na banana. Ega chaya ya 2010. Karo President Kibaki ya yeteti. Ona day vunarero.
Yes.
There are a lot of freedoms to wate. Iwi karo maite vintevitu wale wakora especially okorora abantu bakorame president Twitter nande nonyene through media bune ya nkeyo but the most important thing etale ngororo lirikale na ndekere katiba abantu bachakire goshereri is a 24-hour rule oirukoti karo matomo sigale na vale okobwata okobekesel continuously kama idindio za oirukoti otabangango investigate yale the 24-hour rule eliere katiba yaito, and these are a lot of other freedoms. Maybe into vinde bunabono the counties yechikia chile
devolution
development oro chibona tukabwata chigavana chiminister MCA evitare ngororo katibe etaracha eyobona igatogo celebrate 14th anniversary. I think ebintu nebinge tokuligereri nainde ngotabaringe katiba tugwate ya Kenya is the most progressive in Africa nga timaringa kila keke busi other than the South African one.
Yes.
Kenya nero na tugwate the most progressive constitution.
Wow.
Alafu is the third gender rule.
The two-third gender rule.
Yeah, the two-third gender rule, especially in parliament. I know emechandere ngwarora last week abantu bale batanga judiciary lawyers secretary yengo kora na basuati boka batolide so I think we are compliant, but parliament and generally legislatures no the two-third gender rule etara bwata but otherwise there is a lot abantu baito to when they celebrate.
Now, with this regime boniga ya Kenya Kwanza, abantu babere abasaye babere bakunyara gweso kisana bakunyara goteba that the constitution teriko ba followed the right way. They want accountability, but at the same time na rano any nwaba wakili mwasoka mokarobekana you wanted your safety to be guaranteed. You lost one of your own the other day wakuwa masasi kale aseke gambero. Then twarolira bali muboniga right now as we are speaking wamegoma. Gen Z leo wamepanga protest. KMPDU the other day waligoma for the longest time. Maybe did this come with the constitution? Is it too much freedom already?
You know, Article 37 that people have a right to picket, to demonstrate, to petition before public assemblies, before anywhere in leadership positions. What you need to do is notify in security. You don't need permission. You know, for some reason they are not happy. A lot of freedoms.
Yeah.
Permission ensure security. A constitution a lot of freedoms. But you know one is another kere go dirikaro interior renge neta fauti na bono iga ngwambori about Gen Z into abanyene abali mbono iga ne street bale nende kwaro lenga these have been peaceful demonstrations abantu bagotara bago demonstrate mbali go salikende kya monto kabiro ibono you know unless abantu batuna bali bale kuiba batambe binto batagole kibate kigari abande alime chande go kiyaba. For me being for wishly ngosaba you know ngekatibe yegende abantu baito understand mono because in such inde ndiro konora no no muntu no nayo ko arangire go che police station musigale abo shitwe article 49 yatebanga you have a right to be silent.
Yes.
Ibo musigale tawo ko betere libona abatenga kinga bono na kugwatire ndeving aki yake no bwate haki yo ko moteving aki chunguze kina kia odoza ki freedom kiri bone gendo tuwenza ko manyanga na inde challenge ya ronkelinga ki kemiaka ya ele 14 abantu bande baito batara manyanga inkikere katibe.
Yes.
Obuye bwaye mborobi obwene tebosome buba understand baye manyanga igere ebintu nabo bire you know.
Yeah.
I understand we are bamanye even no nyene ki basic right kirichabe ko katibe baete.
And maybe finally abasairi tukuligore gati abasaye mbaro besogeti bakachaka okorobekana kwabo bachagete kusangire chisei bakotebanga they want a referendum. Now whatever Kenya's among the best constitutions, do you feel like the youth they should be given a go ahead bachaki referendum, though we know it is not 1+1 ata BBI ilianguka, but do you think that the constitution it should be implemented or amended?
amending a constitution ya Kenya na igente kwa sana because in kwa roje BBI una ya wete they need those signatures bona ilobona to kwana ndobu ati IBC ili agenda go verify those signatures
yes
because bona challenges in chirororo but you know we have chaka but then it's a tall order because no you know organize you it's going to be, you know, killing your right to take a step because, you know, even to be able to but Boli, other than if it's something which you konya avana inche karwa kwa amend tinda nya kororandi gerelinga you know that is got abanga one signature to koligia but when you look for those signatures ikatibe got abanga for ekaruto kwa amend netakeire orete draft bill orete a draft bill ndogo ate article 255 257 kigo tebanga ki ekatibe wena ko amended ibono ya bana bale ko lichi signature to go kanga amendment by popular initiative only 1 million signatures or see a bill or deliver a draft bill to the native signature as a IBC. I'm going to Pilar range draft bill yo. Madina bago chabate because sometimes understand we are. Signature, but you need to come up and tell the people that this is the draft bill, this is what in that requirement. But I know my thing be a chaka. Of course, you know, the Chindo Gambino, the Kerala social media, which were launch a BDR, Raila Odinga, AU, one of which politicians, one of ones in our state house.
Yes.
Wataniramo, here Koro Kinga, the Mwananchi, Gen Z, now they are on their own. Because one are imagining a Katibeche, Gen Z 1 million signatures, but having a one on mandatory. Ruto Gako and the Rift Valley, but every Tago site, I want to run. I'm going to remind the Karengo Tavaring the Marilla and Robosona. See, Torojapan to what in the channel. Because one of the political class, they are united as against the common man.
Yeah.
Because one of the state house, the video very launch. Naga and Nachaka Viruton are funding model university. Nachaka Mugomo value. In a sense, one everyone who retirement in the what you position it to an opposition there are one room. So for me, I feel Avana with signature, taking again take care. But they need to be organized because in the traveling Ambali go at leader so that the currency even with technocrats you want to understand it. Want to currency we have a amount again look at the public participation.
Yes.
Machika Mangesana Mataya what are challenges because in
no public participation is done.
So Chaka to go and I guess treating a bono, Nemko Mendio Tarakwana.
Yes.
That will be another challenge,
Okay, thank you so much. Ntochetoro sichinga kichinde na inde tonyare bono gutware ngambe iga ekera nimete no Clinton Odigius my co-host na bwata maboria mange sana igoro ya the same we are going to organize but thank you so much omurigererio nyarire konyora ebirengerio au nene mono no bumanyi au kitogendete gochengere katiba yeto at 14 of course it is one of the best constitution. Thank you so much asokunyara okwana no mugusi we shall organize na inde thank you.
Na kirambia mana so asili bageri kwa ngere mkwana usibami mkwana Clinton kabisa.
Okay.
Kirambia mana na nje.
Nimbwate no mwaka okorukwa Elias Mabiria koruboka it's today is World Banana Lovers Day. Nuanche teli toke.
Ngokoriginda itoke wana.
Yeah. Nimbwate crips gane juicy na boko nyara kwerigeri koruboka it's. Thank you so much. Good day.
Thank you so much.
All right. Asante sana Mwigure nga kidogo Gen Z referendum ni kama itafanya kazi because they have no drafted bill. I don't know Ndigi, are you heartbroken? Are you okay? You need a hug?
Okay. That is the perspective wakili. Yeah.
Okay. Well, that is beautiful, and also the Kenyan constitution is among the best constitutions, especially the progressive one. Koru South Africa, the only thing, by the way, neritwagringa two-third gender rule, section 6 of the constitution, yabire nkongu sana konyara go implement, but the rest we are trying where we can, and the constitution gives people right to picket, so it is Gen Z against the political class. Leo watajua wajui, nani atawasikiza unless wanaenda State House kusimamisha EU bid. Na parliament last time haikuenda vizuri, but anyway, karibu sana mwancho murigererio KCTV. Asante sana so kunyara kuyancho morobire gwenyoni na kunyara kuyebwate kigima. Of course timu ya Nengima, they are already ready, they are set. Meza pale looks beautiful. World Banana Lovers Day. Hata mimi napendanga ndizi. I'll have to option hakuna. Nangu kwandra litoke litoburie kigusiri tobetabye gonyune chai ya mabere. Karibu sana ase studio.
Bienvenido sana, bienvenido.
Yes.
Llamo Joan. Na kontre ko chakala kaiga.
Para ni mwako yo?
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
I was about to say Merry Christmas because we are new. All the same.
Yes.
Thank you. Banana Day, Banana Lovers Day. When I was growing up, Joan, nilanga mwana. Tawatana kokogenda gutara.
Nonyare kondetera, gento kiyamu nalitoke. Ondi kitako baya bindere. Yes. This is the favorite song. Where? What are you saying?
I know I cannot really talk. I go fake in Arwada. Mama, gentle, talk on buona. I don't know really talk on Arwada.
Yes.
So it's full of love. It's full of nice things. Ondigi, which is the most consumed fruit in the world? Yani abantu bakuliye sindima number 1. Sindima.
You're the fruit.
No,
I mean, it's a fruit.
Fruit. No, fruit. You tell me what you can see. You say a song. Can you go a song? Which is the most consumed fruit in the world? Now you have a banana, you have orange, and you have leaf in the world. Which one? Yani kata ngene say banana number 1.
Mama tiri tindo koro kwanza?
Okay, tujakan.
I have not done research.
No, it doesn't have to do research.
But I can say banana is more famous now.
Ondu yana rekona siko mi. Wala ba zito.
Ngake jingo bia.
Yeah, it's a but now here's the good thing. Lito kiriga. Ino kwali vinte vinge au sito ko rina lito. Watwageria kana inkwalita mogoye ikendwa ko mogoye. Obo kimbo lito ka diko yekwa.
Yeah.
Ya ngobo kima.
Dia uchuru bia kabisa.
Naka muzulika ngoko.
Peace.
Yeah.
I never knew Lito Keni. My grandfather used to go to Himete.
Yes.
Back in Uganda. Now. Haka Himete, Uganda. So the Ugandans used Koroshibo Kimogui Lito.
No. Go come away. Okay, one of the two. No, Lito Kedia. I got Yarugiru. By the way, I grew up eating Lito Kedia. It was very nice. Very nutritious.
Yes.
Well, no, it is it's difficult to store it. Well, what we have done using that, you talk about how we used to crisps, cookies, a juice. A juice one like you once. So it makes a juice. Well, I go to a country Kenya, around the Abaji and see. Ba boro kiwe una dikoroso ake company to ya Boka to process ri toke ya wo bosia ero ko so kuma biasa mulata kan ri toke wo Maboka ng'alikuwa tolo kwa toa biara kinogo kima.
Ndio kuna cha kidogo because ya korokananga otwa ntochageti the right way tulienda tu hop skip and jump tura mukwani muligira mutabi na kiokoro kwa asekwa mutaro kuligira for the first time no ndigita kumaeti na bari guto kumarangerio ndigi na na tura mumanya
ndigi no confusion in the studio ndigi jambi hapa
ya mwegerere
watu sensi na wamanya baro change bila wana ndigi tabwa tendugo na swim last baro kama chimbaru dai
yes about Boka Eats
yes
last time na bwate wine rero mbwate juice mugati na yoganyire I don't know what happened
mwajora karayo tiga
hizo ni ya kurai manyase mwanju
yes
asante sana omwanju murigereria ingengoro kwa areas maviria igonde mete gusongo gaiga lakini matuka mange na mete America ngana seito gusi imbe no mwalimu wa magenderero yongo somia magana manufacturing sebona yento kyande the studio amanyi ibintu biro tokokora banana value addition bono igo specialist as okomeka value addition as abana baita abagenzi buno ndiga abana unabone ese company ya Boka na abana bakeba ngaboka youth group kabajagilia in partnership na Kizi University tukamana gocha tuka form Boka Limited Boka East Limited kabe company from a youth group kabe company bono a company ya korosia different things lakini vise siviri toka korosia cookies vile chiga chiga cookies chiwata ditoka cookies chiga nichinge sana kiagara kana kuna sukari ya gereze bono kana nganchi salbana amaino arabu
nabo ni mukiwiga
ase kamera bono cookie uneriga na backup down cookie uneriga bono ige korosi na abana ba korosia by bake then they make the cookie so the value on it is that is audio sukari minimum abandanga bakuje ko banzira byiki ya sukari ndi komenda sukari nyinge itoke ndi batu bwansu bwaye
yes
ine muri yabo kuri abutwa muna gocha ekiga ngiri wansa mono kibwate chumbi kidogo ne biribiri ekiga na batu krokana banana crisps very popular abana baitu bako wesapura bakiomya bakibeka somorero kyamana ko byega bona nabokire kya na bana baitu bakorosha na ende igone another way of preserve banana kya gutuma litoke gujimumbu gusuna Nairobi ko akokolira igoli go salika buganga bona lakini kaliriga na beko mwako muhima as crisps to ko studio nabo tokulia
we hapo kwa kwa studio I thought ningeambiwa nionje live waone venye natafunda
itakuwa ni kweli lakini alafu kutoka rabu tuama koleta obusibu ili toke litoke litakalia sababu hilo ndio miwe kwa sio busi ubya sana kwa shirongoli ngia na ndio bwate benefit ili toke kama kwa relaxation of the muscles ekendi kyabo uko reduce hypertension kyali toke ine gasi yae because of the minerals itoke libwate igobo sio boiga na bana baito bako bosia na bako cross kurumu chaka no bako mwalia ase factory ya bere kaika ATC bosiga ga town igobo no kora ngambia bono iyo ngaki kabisa ani kuiwa ngamba erotin kwa ya tuko studio ne ya banana juice banana juice akano ko yediga ojibara ngale kombe ule kiacha wasi ko sekerasi
unaelekea na wanya wakokonya glass
someone is impatient
watu kana jamongo na studio na wongo yo bona bana baito bako ye process paka yao bina maji wakini wono byabuaye akano kunyedi ndeke kombe kama ya mini ichwa ya mwira is like you are taking 10 bananas at one time without the benefits, without the pulp. It's very, very exciting. Na be abana baitu bakara shigen tekega. Na haro asokora kwa na as in part of my introduction is that abana baitu balisko ya Kenya basa wanja bakara bairani kyari bingi na so met on my travel. Abana baitu bali wanja karo bagucha. Keri ke tukolwa somi abande. Osela batanga ona asemi omwabo ona bana ba minto mule sense ya diaspora pero what information of how to process things na bako bikora bona bona edi chusiga kitu kutaka na inywete reko na inge Singapore no mwanafunzi na inywete banana juice for the first time. Yes, this was in 80s. Nikakoka sana. Wana kuna kuwenga kinga kila kina bakuruzi bakanya buna maji. Umaite yenje na maite karoko beka litoke ilikuwa bunyongoli. Lakini ngikinga maji.
Now, twanalire ntubuna bagusintra nyara kondigiri bagariae twanalire buna bagusiri toko twamaete kererire mugondo gari twamaete ritoke ne gisukari arafu ritoke rie kigusi ne ritoke ng'ombe naro twanalite ne ritoke ria Buganda na riri toko teba ngari bwate sukari enyinge na twamaete ngari ritoke riga either toriere to yeke tori gose to bitorie tunywere chai gose rungo in fact tunywere rungori. Now what inspired you mochiko chake plant buna Boka Eats mochake gotoroseri the value added products mbiro keigo vieri toke because already naro rire mubwate cookies mubwate crepes mwaretire juice no busimborari
mia mono sana mono ke inspiration karna yande Kenya. I wanted something kwa kia bana bitu bakora tukachakora bintu bine twarosya makara twaroseti ogosie tugataka bana ngitokora akere factory ya tugetenga bagajirusie factory yeri toke ekorosyo gosia akire batenge ubusyo na ubaroswa rekero kwa tukanye factory ya gaitina serikali ya Kisii County Government with European Union akare tugetoro tukanyole factory neroro tuga apply turani factory. So apparently into katu abonetiri bako Iran eba advertised for 1 year omuntu akaburo ko take off. So abana fusi bana ba container ki ni factory ni rabra ki into batibesa ngako ntokora gawate bijibesa embia lakini bana abotoka ntuburi kwani mu sita sito ntu asali akali European Union na Kisii County Government batega umuntu weko tokire n'umwarimu yiga amabidia n'abana fusi batagete ko kandi factory. So tugachoro. But when we came, one was very difficult to work. Ubosibuoka amatoka cha toba. Akala matoka toba tukanyora bana akala tubita ko babusie. What do we do? Tukatawa no, the best thing now what is kali nyingi yes. Now we can turn that into wine, into juice. And juice can become wine, by the way. So, but we avoided going to wine because of different legal situations. Ya very alcohol, you can amana makongo. Lakini wakati wenga matoka ya matoka naro si juice India, tukatenga bana tukate mukoro si juice wakatebe bana. Tukate ichuba. Kato ichuba kurumumbo, ichuba ichuba kamne wine. Tukanyora makongo serikali. Yani tukanyora ichuba chose pinko ni uchire kwa tikire duwa tibesa abana bazakulira. But now because of that kaje tukanyora makongo boiga. Ege siekia abana batanga lakini ntokoli abana tokonye abana bakamatata kwa kesimi ukyo gabana gabana kabateria ganyake inkora nango bakonya turi abisiyaye gabana kagenda kwa nabantu ba customs bagatokea liuri akatima bina kwante akakwantu gatonga kimwe gicuba ego tuka abana bakanyambo bagicuba babata matoka matogu bana baja korosigo na ndeka bana kana batarete kwateka kimogere takanyangambia abana bakamakuru abana in the process bakateba our biggest motivation we got make sure na serikali atoire a factory ya serikali ya atoire ya tusoge machine ya tusoge ichuba we got be successful. So because of that motivation abana baiga they are very much working hard to do this one. And as we are talking, some hotels they are stocking this juice. Unaona sakogenda hotel ya Dance na Humphrey na bugunyora na some clubs in town Morogoro na bugunyora. Intura successful kuchibeka as a smaller bottles chirichia plastic ekiagera chigo sarika glass ego sarika mini glass nerego yoke okonyareka chigo beko somo gase juice ito ego sarika. So now we are packing only in the glass bottle. Well, because of that, you can enjoy this juice in Yasar.
Elvis, thank you so much.
Elias.
Yes, Elias.
Elvis.
On the smart.
So that to make a from Boka Eats, was as a Boka Eats yoga, okay. the types of Vintoraros apart from juice with the clips na boigo okoruga egento keneye na ndekiraros kurwa se ritok utatige vigarira
ina vinga lakini bono buna bono a customer yete yobosie the biggest customer igari based in Nyeri umugako ndo kurukwa Ruben okorosie ndagire yabana bono gakwire ritokeri orosie ndagire yabana bono umuchenisi taibu gaki ngota watunga abantu mbale banasiasa kuiba bale bagateba na kwa mwanasiasa kuiba lakini abatanga banasiasa kuiba bale na kia bale bichitakiri bono turende ndoko ntege nole kitole techenisi leta iba nole chi mashwe mani torosie ndagire yabana because it sobo shoboiga ubukanyo busigiye bwabali okay ubukanyo chinchubuke ubukanyo busyoboike yani rosti ndagira yo mwana is perfect because chinchu which what a lot of proteins and growth ko besibuga bani ma tero ngona na injina na kine tima cherisi ne chaba kine ya abara beja letru ndro ro to ko kero bono wodi ki saka je ko ro kanni to yani benefit get very high what do you go to kanya na to ye package kare package ne chanta bantu bai wana bana bali bai to bali sikuba ba mai tamana package basa ko chane ba to ka ba ke sina yiga to ma ko andamana mo wa to time na mo go tamara sige ke gara ba ko bisko to mai ko waro again to
I do mention again to no mogati ga cannot sit here. But then, what mentioning I talk and I don't mean about Mogati.
Mogati Miyasan, actually, banana bread is very popular. I think lack of knowledge. The Bible says, my people perish for lack of knowledge. Abana baitu mbama yeti korosi. Na muntu tagi tayari okocha koboro kia. Because of that, abana baitu maiti. Otherwise, abana baiga agari up to the yani babai kirangoli because even the vitator vine korosia is very difficult. Sabana baiga is very difficult. Bo na abana bantu bari kutoka na kutoka ko boro ki how to make things no auspicious bread with a cake ya banana. That is very popular. Banana pie. Yani again to create pie, you know a pie to make it good. Ya kitu wate pie. Anyway, umugati very wet. Lakini wako ke pie. Usakaros banana pie. Na and one year cover added to other things. A beauty of banana, Tairas made me yoga. Made me to wind. I woke Mambo to the chingin. Was not your book. Could you reaching in?
Abamba might clear a chumbi na itoke. Don't man itoke. Litoke litobu. My father was born Abamba Manu. Kimana Koroma itoke. That is
the on live TV. Do we talk about Kaloriga? Okimabeka, Ijaka? Yes, litobu. That's a new Kaloriga.
Now, you know, it is not easy. And starting from scratch, maybe so far, what are some of the challenges Boka eats and maybe scaling into business? How has been the journey? And so far, what are some bad Boka eats?
Number one. Actually the biggest problem, even before money, is knowledge. Knowledge to do it. We don't know how it's done.
Yes.
Now, the strictness of making the business. But they don't because I can packet in a lower temperature. Again, they can a temperature, a specific number. For example, it has to be between 70, actually 75 and 80. If you bring it to 70, I will go Sadika. 60. 60 go press Yakora, this was after 3 days, again, you just get wine. Now you can't sell it because it was not designed to be wine and you can't stop it. What will take away? So that's the problem. But other than that, other problems are different finance, political goodwill. Like for us, I can confess, until we work without the governor's intervention. When he was stuck, he came. Sometimes even he comes without announcing. That alone, the visit that is very powerful. Now, even to start completely, we are able to say we are stuck. You got the political will, I think, has been the biggest asset we have.
The reception, Kurwa, say your customers and maybe abantu basarondete orongorosi because they don't make no meta so bonge. Nagaroli very guy ko celebrated as Bananas Lovers Day. Reception ngaki ya vera bantu ngo bago kerteri to ke your markets ekromo kuira these goods demand singa kie.
Two things. Even though na precepts or generalito kinarango buana ngaki ngjuko ni buana that becomes a problem. Obviously ngaki data ngomo ko ni kansa wewe tena kawaida tigana buana na jingi but the cookies is a different story. Cookies kianchi sana na ende kero monto gata gete actually kinda monto gata gete dijiri wasinda gete.
I'm waiting for you okay to go and having a test on waru no
utakana I test on but it's very sweet. It's extremely well received. So much that we are struggling to. We are not going out of kissing. Actually, it's to achira tanto kwa sanche virate na rongo na yugis na krigoris. Intura agenda. No hay mega igantura akora because our production capacity try kase after agenda far because the product is very accepted. Very good one.
Okay, now how do you make sure that umete bintombiro biberekere to kwanira igoro ya production?
Yes.
Yeah, even tebiga and mono when you're talking about food. Now how do you maintain the quality of the products and also maintain the sustainability the products mukunyara gosoke korwa selitoke?
Thank you. When you're on that, I just mentioned this. Omwana mwana gotoneria twamuri taoni ekara ng'ombe yakoria akana sumusani atobe ntari torose tobe toni tato karsi tikete kaso tanga aki ichinde yaru cookies were tasting salt because of quality are taking a bit of time and the workmanship no the formulation when the workers are not used and they don't have the supervision, that's very difficult. So I spend most of the time with the production. Most of the time, when I customers in the production. Again, to abantu baito tunantore wana Gen-Z usiyengima mbabu at factory eseba ita ba korega so bakanda ba visit. In fact, there is no Kawa is more processing for cleaning and drying.
Yeah.
But we use for the final product, Nichaitu is something we process in Kisi. The way it works is just cutting it and letting it ferment and dry, which is not really much. But this one, from start in Pakamusho, any small problem, any small deviation, is for final product in Arabic. That's for cookies. Cookies, utachikora weti chitaka keire. Kowe tania, nje chikubuato kana. Utakora tini siri karia, nje chikubuato kana ewatika. One we go over the specific place where you are operating. It is a challenge ya gaiga. But nanda wale chantu buato which is really a big problem. Abana baito bali used to manufacturing. Wana kara ito na kara waya mani mchana ngiri ngete bui kabu ya gaiga. Because of that, without keeping the specifications, the product is spoiled. Actually, we have had more spoilage. When we were doing research for the juice, we lost more than 30 tons of banana. Because what was happening, tunatengeneza inakuwa tuna package yave tena yave yonsi pia rana because workers were missing steps. Takabono for the perfection of producing tekega, we come on top manaboro, a food specialist we took wire from outside, we don't do that. In a very real agreement, of the quality. Our people are not very strict on specifications of production because they don't know. The steps, if you miss one step, you lose it all.
And again, can you talk in terms of these all foods, these juice, all those commodities we produce? Can you talk health-wise? Kiroko di mtu vile vile sikuru asiritoke usitoke rinyene na onyo mubere ase obachunwa obakere
alafu menta serio twarorire bune bituma mbibwate aflatoxins, maybe is it the same neli toke?
Yes, exactly the same. The aflatoxin as always here, if you don't process it in the right moisture, it's going to form molds. Molds, when that starts, now your aflatoxins in India. I'm not an expert on aflatoxins, but everyone here in the every tumor, every condition because of moisture. So moisture is a big problem. Na very long time for us to talk. The other one dinner was the moisture control is very difficult at home. Actually, what was done by the beginning for us to use as a dryer, it cannot work because you have no way of controlling the moisture. And if you can't control the moisture with the flour, you're heading for disaster. Actually, aflatoxins in the village after harvest is because the moisture content was too high. The conditions for storage were not right. So this one is the same. That's why we package the plastic to control the moisture. Once we have processed, it has to go. It has to go in completely moisture controlled climate. As of packaging, we have a narrow dry because if you pack in a heavy moisture, we are going to trap some moisture inside. In packaging is that. Actually, I know we sent a sample to overseas market, and then they told us the moisture content is too high. We sent one to Netherlands. The moisture content is very high. We cannot buy it. So actually, we stopped to process for that market. But even and local market for flour is not a big market. The only thing that we have done successfully is cookies. I mean, not cookies, yes, but crisps. Crisps here, advanced by I think after we produce it, we pump nitrogen. That's nitrogen. The air inside, the air inside, that's nitrogen. Now nitrogen is very heavy cover oxygen. Nothing grows.
You know, remember the chemistry bado kuba konya nitrogen was used as a preservative.
Yes. So now, because of nitrogen, and by the way we were forced to get a machine of our own, we produce our own nitrogen to be able to package that.
So, elaborating a health-wise, maybe any complaints, not yet,
because one of the things, and cookies generally very easier products to store because cookies is over here, Nesukari is a preservative. So if you don't have it exposed to moisture, then it lives long. And then our cookies, the most it has been is 2 weeks. In we are producing it because it's popular. It's almost like milk. To keep it on you have to come next week. Next week is very rare. Tunapelekea mtu alafu tunakuja next week ya kunasa. No, it's unless when we do twice a week, because sometimes some customers, when a customer, say for example, a customer in Mosojo, you get cookies twice a week. Like you know in Yakoy, you have to once a week. Bona karogo enda to kumweza na boko na kia Yakoy na kia kwa yana ke tara kura, lakini na lipo aumenta vike. But still the moment that the man over kwa livi koro it will go up to 2 weeks. So that's the advantage. So we have not had a problem. But then if you talk to me, I said about the year, go to me at the Kiligan Sparrow, go to your samples behind. Again, go the samples, or I think I was a and I was a karate. You have to take a packaging. inside the number get or which doesn't make sense. At those are patch numbers. I know what the patch number will be, the date it was done, the time it was done. And then now, I can't go for it, I think only get until that time, and I can just get what was the condition. One abroad took money. So, if I go tracing scenario, we are not at a problem yet.
My other question is more crossing the Bunica, of course, more research. Now, I mentioned you had a research, you had some tons, how do you conduct your research? And the procedure to make a period key, we can research the crepes, the cookies, the juice, and many other commodities we produce. Need more research, or some going to invite more other experts, but what about money or where Matoka goes to the process you're doing?
The best research is my mother. I know this will sound funny. My mother, I can't what we learned from that is that everything we do, it has a process. I don't understood why my mother was temperatures for everything. So for example, the juice, we have to process it in a specific temperature. Now, when we do that specific temperature, then we know. Now, the research to do that, the first thing we did is to find out, I want to run it now. Now, you tell us these days with advent of the YouTube, actually YouTube, you should be able to do anything you want. You make mistakes, you will have, you lose the way, the steps will be wrong, but after some time you are going to get it. So because of that, we do have a food technologist, we do have a technical person. I am not a technical person. I don't know much about machines because I did marketing in school. I'm a salesman basically. But because of YouTube, because of my resource for learning, and having the enthusiasm to learn, so I'm reading the package when I meet engineers, we were discussing, for example, a machine like we designed all the machines we use. If you come to a place and see what we use, most of it we designed, including a pasteurizer, a machine ecovelia. This was done actually by my son. And he said, yeah, we can do it. If you take a research, use what you have and then modify it to make what you want. If you don't know, research is on the process, but within the facility, thank God we have a bigger place, so now I'm very willing to learn. Anything they're willing to learn. Yes. So the next time you visit, you will find that most of our workers are young women, just because our company, our CEO is a woman. And then when we go looking for funding, apparently in the world today people are still funding women and the youth. So I will youth. I think we say so I have to work with young people and the women like that. Then when we team up, now we can look for funding to do these things. So we did a lot of fundraising from overseas, which was helpful to us, to which way we have been. But the actual research, this is where we're about.
Now, ekende nataka kumanya watebanga litanga ni kwanyote juice yeli toke kwanyote kole chinse chesko na mwachire mwachakire ya ino. Maybe how can you talk about the market of the banana based products na kiaverege kunyara gonchorelia abine miaka yaverege kogenda, and secondly, how can you say how are your products unique from the other products, because na ndo metekere wachake ntumna boni gusi we have another company boniga also key products. So how are your products unique and the market change over the years?
Yeah, very interesting. I was thinking about some influences because the way we help each other, sometimes we try to destroy each other. Most of them, they work with us very closely, except sometimes when they go out, they don't give us credit. For example, I know one who bought juice from us, but I saw the Kenyan on television saying the great things they are doing, and forgot to give us credit. They rebranded and put their name and say this is what we're doing. So which is very unfortunate. Cook is the same. Actually, we have been some customers say we have another company doing cookies. We look at, oh, not our cookies. We say no, this from so and so and so and so. So the moral story is that I want to wait to let's be realistic. Let's do this. For example, in the country today, we are the only ones that I know talk about banana juice. We have somebody who is doing a banana butter. What do you call it?
Blue band.
Blue band. Yeah, lakini
we have blue
jam. I was thinking for the jam, banana jam.
Okay.
It's very good, very popular, it's very sweet. There's a kid young man doing it, Fred. He does a wonderful job. But the problem, I didn't get permission to say, but if Fred gets a bit of support,
Okay.
my God, the jam is very nice. He knows how to do it. It works well, it tastes good. But the one with the challenge, anafanya leo, anaweka ufuko, anaenda hoteli, anauza, ikiisha, anarudi, atafanya tena, aende. So what we need for that kind of person, if there was a way, and I don't know how much he has gone for help, if you had a way of funding, ROS here, because he knows how to make it, and make sure the quality is perfect. Then now, he can have salespeople, batch forward. But when it's the salesman, it's the production manager, it's the messenger, it's the cleaner. So it's very difficult to move like that. So now, what makes our company stand out from most people? I have lived almost everywhere in the world. Karibu nchi zote nimekaa Jerumani kidogo, nikakaa Norway, where actually I spent a lot of time working. Then I spent a lot of time in UK. I spent a lot of time in China. Singapore, I went to school in Singapore. So because of that, actually that's the first time I took the juice. And then Singapore, they speak very good English, unlike China. China, Kiswahili niko shida kidogo. But now in Singapore, I was able to interact. Now when I came home, I had something that I could refer to. Then I've been also an extreme side of living in the Canada and the US, where in the US where I worked a lot. For about 13 years, I was working in different industries. Now, when I came back home, I have that knowledge how manufacturing should work. So when I bring it to a product, I am not bringing it completely virgin. I have experience on it. So that's what has made the difference as a company. So because of that, it has been a difference. Now, when you look at my competitors, abantu baitubura buri munsi akaratoka nyanyera okoze ni cyanda bwate tabwati exposure icyagera tara through that so ko ne ka karosya na limited kuna bani mu na kwa na Fred actually Fred exposure gido na abantu bakongatya Fred could make the best jam in the country.
Now, over time, buna kwa berego kunyara kurigereri products charura samatoke. Maybe the consumers, which part of the banana are they interested in, and maybe yanyare kuba suguma mpaka mosoe on that side.
I lost what you said just repeat the question because I think I missed.
As time goes by, the consumers your products, there is a certain trend. Again, because at the end of the day, whatever jamia so create toke juice nero matukamega watu mugatine wine mwaretire crepes nini. Which side, that side of the line kumaro the trend ekoba musawo chiororo ngem tokete batagete yenyara kuba push mo nyara go produce more.
It demand every price you see in Turku March. So we are making for the outside. Now that's very good news because for example KCFM aba kodi no work abako there's no money coming from outside. But if John can sell to another one, or sell to another one, now money comes to this place. So, otherwise, is actually a very good thing. That means we have to make it for those people who don't have it. So the money will come from outside. That's how we can create jobs. That's how we can have money from outside, because that's really income. Otherwise, if we make kisses, sell kisses, now the challenge with that is that we are changing money within ourselves. So the money we have, so the money is just here. But if we sell outside, then the money comes, only you get money from outside, you get money from outside, I get money from outside. Now what has happened to our cheaper as a like a foreign exchange, that is how we could bring money to Kisi. So now the demand for our product, other than cookies is across the board. Abang si wanakula sana cookies. Abang si kumanya ganda supermarket cookies chikuru. Actually, I really encourage competition. I know this will sound funny. I was supposed to toss cookies. The reason is this:
Okay.
Uganda and Tanzania, because bado sahi unaenda hata kwa duka unapata cookies zinatoka UK. Cookies ziko UK. Cookies are come from India. Cookies are come from Thailand. Cookies toka town Nigeria. Back in the waffles. I was selling waffles. Kile waffles na mafuta, lakini siku hizi kwa spider bakery abana ba kuja. Now, in other words, there's market for those, and they're imported from outside. No, in general, kwa kari chia abana ba itabagusi. Kali ko integrate to kage ko hikiri to. Even aki na kira osigete. Na ito hikiri to ke international ko osigete kige na no chiku chelsea sweets no toffee. Niko tukike tamtam kire kwa ko seria maino. It is still very popular. Because seria maino but they are there. So we are not going to protect all the children of the world, because if you don't make it, a sweet China sweet. So now we have to find a way. About the that is assume not as you can really talk. You choose America. Osaka, I want to go to my child. A paste. A paste a package the same mold becomes a sweet. Actually, we have some sugar out of this. It's very nice. It's not very good sugar, but it's very expensive sugar, because banana sugar is expensive. So bananas can make a lot of products. What else can we make? Again, I'll go back to the point saying people perish for lack of knowledge.
No, ndoche biro bya minyo kirekegima cyaragire kinsisato, of course cyaonjire on kenaiba ikerana renge gukwana nesi mikolende. What I would love to know, there is that part of boosting the local community and the economy. So far, to what level or to what extent mwanya regosira the local community and the economy yorgongorwa usi?
Thank you very much. You know, I take another guru and make Yagara and Jantuata, Avan, Kabaka Sagate, Abako, challenges here about Ramatok. We are consuming, even though we are not consuming enough, we are consuming some. That helps. When I want to remember Asaku Taraja, almost side. I remember Konya Kora, Anakagogi, Sensamaya Marani. Some of those farmers in Barbarika Machoya, about the other problem where take the bananas. I think we buy their bananas. Now, that's good. But what I like most, in this place, in 26, very full time. I make these things. I feel very good about Boka, I can recommend now, when you see those things happen, if you are not there, if this factory was not here, then that could not be happening. It's very satisfying, it's very fulfilling, and at the same time, part of this, to change their lives. John Usiyito is very painful. Tinda websa kulinda manda kini Usiyito abana basometa abara bangi sana. Batabwatiye hasi abara bangi. Yani konyora umwana abwatiye degree lakini boda ko gendi kyaga na boda inayonero na hende n'ibindi byahurira bona ari ikire agakorera umuntu agenda boda which is okay. But now you don't need to have a master's degree to make a boda and for a living. So the little we have done, we have some young people working, and that's how they make a living. Now they have learned different skills. Now one number of packaging. I feel very good about mana packaging apa ini machine packaging data. Kalau orang go gira in the ko sebaru besi the new infection wa para boka. Around the bakers, they are baking on their own. So that alone is a big cultural change. Even if I drop there today, I want to have the skills to do these things on their own. So that's something that gives me a lot of encouragement in I want to acquire skills which were not there before we came. So, and we feel like even if we leave stage, our children will continue. And then we need to encourage each and everybody who has got some skills, bring them home. Just bring them home so that we can empower young people to kitoka tuwache. Kisi hakuna shamba. Samani papa yangu niachia shamba kidogo ya kuweka nyumba. Lakini mimi sina panga kuachia watoto wangu. Ndivyo ndio mboka yangu. Ndivyo. Okay.
Okay, now again, finally, Korwa Sense Moyane, are there local or international organizations mwanyarego partner kwene kibuna mwabere mokunyara go boost banana farming imeagusi, because at the end of the day, yes, boniga abagusi abayiga babere bagotwa matoke babaletera. Batuma amatoka yangu ikaragote mwaba support ribayira ne mugondo banyare kore megere. Again, you don't lack in the future.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sasa Nairobi matatu sinikaribu yote ni Kisii. Siwalijua kuna pesa.
Of course.
Kisii alikuwa kuna pesa watafanya. Na au siwete tukayote tukamanya. Chelsea abusi. Wewe mwa kwa mama kwa ndio. Naona jenzi ndio mara akali kwa kama vyoka. Chini ndio ndio kwa chama maandamano. Yes. Chini ni manufacturing. Aki ndio utakamata sana. Yani chini ndio kwa tenacity in wanting change. Let's make the economic change. Kwa ndio karandike. Na and then the best way to do it, look for information. Don't look for money. Once you have information, you do things which will attract money. Money will follow the good things you are doing. Na ndio kuna akara kwenda serikali. Jensi na bayuti awali ndio mwasombe. Taka ndio serikali sawachiweza. Because that is what politicians understand. Ama tena yao kwa hiyo sio ndio sio kwa ndio kile. Na ndio jina moja akikira huko. Ndio abara ile naki ndio kwa hiyo technology na kile ile how can you support me? I will bring 10 other people. If you do this. Now you support me. If the leaders will understand that what you're doing can make change in other people, because now leaders want to be seen to do a good thing, and also actually most of the leaders want to do things which will change their lives and change their people's lives, because that's part of leadership. Now we do something that when you talk to them, say this way. For example, if you show up and say I can make a juice, but I'm lacking this much money. And then now see how that can get. Can you come back to Boka and say, Boka, I know you're my competitor, but I want to make this. Can you help me to package this way? Then we can guide you on how to do this. As Boka, one of the things, John, I think I want to offer, we can't be competitors. Only when we see a competitor, I think no yawanto. I run in the yani ya kimo visio mwana mina kwa kombi tonight. Nito mwana mina kwa watu mwana tena tokana ika torelia wako. Tokana ika torelia wako. Kwa torelia wako. Then okireta kidogo nikireta kidogo visio ito eso akiwa za visio. Atwana janto mwata kwa rajia nene competitor iko sajo anta ro ndo kora. Now the problem is that now alone I was going to buy.
No, kinda ro kiondi unankora si vito.
This one saying that. I spent some time in China. When I went to China, I was shocked. In China, I was sick and I was about the ones who are here, section area. Why can't they be competitors? No, because they don't make for the Chinese market. They have enough. So they make for export. When I was much younger, I visited a company, company Japan, I go to Kwasayo. I got here TV Jasana. No more Korea, because Fred Mansaka, Sanya top, Sanya. So that was like the main thing. I don't think that is there. So when we went to their place, excuse me, all the neighbors who were JVC, there was Mitsubishi section of that, they all worked in one place. And that's what it is. Akaramura Koramo, if you miss something, when you do that, or miss something, you die because no, I don't know what I'm saying. The kind of what I actually go 5 minutes ago. If you want to check, I don't know what I'm saying. Gari yako peke yako, sasa huwezi kuendesha gari, hakuna mtu kwa kuna anaendesha gari, na gari imegonjeka, na gari iko. So, but if every other car, so when you are sick, you are not as controlled also. So what we are saying in manufacturing, na ndike hakina kosa hapa kusiba ito. Takuwa kwa kile usio nino, how things are done. Takuwa wandrindeka, lakini usio nino mworoki. Na nini usio nitakawa competitor forever, because the reason is, akarumu usini na manyegento mwakara komo omokirani una bano yakiti ketayibobe isakanyara they are crisps to America. They don't in container they want 10 containers. 10 containers allow the capacity. But when you are also there crisps you are there and the go John kakinchi yakati yao you come container sana only which container settle. And after you come to you come, I pay you, the couple of people language. So I was looking at the Kazaki, to our complete normal. When I want to go to Syria, whatever product we are making at Boka, if you want to do it, or make a living out of it. Good. Let us work together. If you want to use our customers, we can say yes. You can market with us. Abantu transport they have done very well. Osakani abantu wa transport unabona ya ena
coach line Yamira
so Guardian what surprised me they are very smart people. I don't think that you chumo ndo amochoka no they are not okani wa ndigi ndiga watu ya nyo wata kwa harabika ndiga watu ya leta ya choka
yeweka
everything ena coach it's like not ena coach because they have been very efficient especially in cargo. The guys are just amazing. So, then, now tomorrow thing is this. You can call a transport, but I can make an arm, but I can very efficient. They only to go to the Paradico very fast because they are in a coach. But when you go across cookies, they will see you. Kaya tawata kwa ni ngata ngajani yani wana hata kumurikana ndio bandika
nabi nabagwa na go tikirani
because go together with kopya abantu ba transport and ko join ko school president will go ahead and will go for tests you fire you get our license make cookies in our name, bring them together. Now we will bring one salesman. At all we see him. But now the problem
finally, what is the future of bananas, especially banana lovers there wantawanga bakumetinga litukeri gandiro no ndigina bambo ai kuna siku kama hii banana lovers day now they've known mo gusucha kire ko igoro bongo manyerenga kumbe tali tokerio kanda akore kinda nywere chai na bongo cookies nywere chai mugasogi ntetaga snack likaria popcorn skirenga kina bongo takuna clips ginkorigererie movie juice nere gari nkogore weekending abantu mete enga kiesu kunera twakagorire juice either orange ama pineapple mostly na chitwa maete now there is a banana and health wise whatever it is okay maybe what is the future of bananas going ahead and the future of Boka Eats?
I know the banana, I'm sure it will go. Banana will be there as long as humanity. It's a very popular fruit, very healthy fruit, without benefits. So we will use it. Actually, some people, when the body has issues, you have to eat a banana. And if it is really bad issues, then you have to get extracts from banana to put in your body. So banana will always be here forever. For Boka, we are praying and hope that each product of Boka should become a company of its own. If we have a different management, make only crisps, be very good at it. Don't sell crisps in Kisi. Actually, we also don't sell crisps in Kenya because you are getting money from Kenyans. Sell crisps overseas because they need this. If you get an order in America, alone, hiyo peke yake, ukipata one customer in America, it will be difficult to meet the demand. So make it so good and keep the hygiene and see. So we hope that this will go. The juice for banana. Already we have a very good inquiry in Dubai. They're very interested in the banana juice. So I hope that these young people can divide. Don't become enemies because there are many. So like Ndigi can say, me and Ndigi the group waende na join a similar group ingine waenda moja. So now we have juice peke yake. Na wakitengeneza hiyo, now young people, when you are able to make something like that, that's the right time to go to the government. Call the governor, call the president, and say, we make this, we want you to help you to publicize this for export. We need you to talk to the export council so that we can go to export. Actually, when the inquiry was made from my office to talk to the export team, they were very excited. They said, yeah, we will come. Actually, they're sending somebody to come to the office to see how they can be able to help us to export the Middle East. Now, when I'm talking like that, I want to be very clear.
Ndio libago chebenga na nchi na chakile kampani ya Crips ngo top up.
Very good. Yeah, very nice. Actually, what we might even do, and we're open to this. For example, we have the biggest capacity for producing crisps. We don't use it all the time. So you can say, Boka, mimi nataka nisangae mtumie mashine yetu. Kwa hiyo sana
mimi nitengeneze zangu tu pamoja.
Yes, okay. Na kitu ndisi yako unatengeneza, unazipa kitu kidogo, and then now we can market together. You see, the beauty is marketing it together. And unless we wake up and see that we have to work together, we are sinking. Lakini tukifanya pamoja, Joan afanye the same thing. Joan, mimi, Ondigi, tufanye kitu moja. Now we have a very big capacity. Now when we go to market, we are marketing something that is easier to market, is a bill, it is a capacity. Hata sasa mzee peke yangu na miaka yangu na nienda kutengeneza Ondigi.
Thank you so much. Tuwasangira mangokoza mabodi na mangare within the because bananas kuna whatever they be there as long as humanity is. Director na tole kwa mbele nango ngwate go register ya tu lakini the problem to your last year so ko because of time kia chirmono courtesy of this banana lovers day. Boka itega nkayigo toka so that nebo muntu atake muntu narume to ibure nga banana can do something otane ko ibu for the very first time ibure atake ko bataka gari ne ranyore such commodity.
Two things. Otokoto kagaiga ATC agana Coca-Cola. We are neighbors actually Coca-Cola. So we are ATC na wana jitu factory karosiwa. So we are ATC karokula kujogo gaigo. So kirenji na kanda Coca-Cola kujogo site. You will find us on the way. The name is Boka at the factory. It's a big facility. I think it's a it's a big facility. Now that is where you can find us. You can reach us on phone. But please, I can give my phone number. Except, please don't call 1 in the morning. That will be tricky. But for example, if there's a young person who wants to sell our products, amechoka nyumbani anataka kuuza, we can give you a job on that. Just to sell on commission, because people are eating like cookies. Cookies actually, cookies. Every shop. Every kiosk is your customer. Now, selling cookies is so simple. Cookies in corn, go around the world. Yeah, that's simple. So we can easily manage to get people to work this. So I can give my number if that's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah, and number I is 0727 377 489.
0727.
Yeah.
377
377 yes.
489.
489. You're a good student. I think if they're promoting, I think we need to promote you because of your high memory. So we can do it last time. The number again. Can you give me?
0727377489. Enoti sana ibere sana ibere sato isana ibere sana ibere inye isana sato kianda.
Congratulations. Good memory.
Yes, asante sana asokunyara gocha nimetebiro bya myokere kikima, but it doesn't mean that it is the last time tonyara komera nagaiga se studio nyura nchenkare na igurite bisieli byane nkayigora bakama oko kagote kiwata kirema gaiga berenka. So I nonsia nyakurugabo I rigino ne kero gwisaransa ari kariko kanya kunywe chai. I don't mind. Thank you so much. Say hi to the team. Sarah, hi, we love you. Thank you so much for the good job okora.
Oh yeah, actually I'll take this opportunity to congratulate the Boka team. It's a group of very few young men. I think we are like 4 men, and the rest is women. So the young
gender rule like chezi pale pia.
Yeah,
mnaonea boy shout.
No. The boys are okay, but the girls do a very good job. We are looking for more men, especially in sales, distribution. They can work long hours.
Yeah.
So we have some places for sales. We do train if you want to be a salesperson and you're having challenges, you don't know where to begin. We will tell you how to say, my name is one, so this is what I do. Can we work together?
And also I'm looking forward to nikimaliza break hapa naona advert pale ya Boka Eats.
Hiyo tunapanga. I want to promise on TV that within the next 2 months we are going to be able to do an ad and Kisi FM, Kisi TV, you have been very, very good to us. We have a very good interaction, so we want to put our first ad will come here.
Amen. Whatever you say will be used against you in the court of law.
In the court of the viewers.
In the court of the viewers.
Yeah, thank you very
Asante sana. So kunyaragocha se studio. We really appreciate. Hope hizi vitu zinabaki hapa. Oh, my stomach needs to stretch. Ondi stretch need it is there.
We can share.
Thank you so much omurigererio KCTV so kunyara gusangana intukuru twachagete 12 chama mindoche chinsanisa tochitaikane 20 cha bitukirigoro. Asante sana asokunyara gochase studio despite the short notice. Say hello to Boka Eats family bakwani bonse batabe soon mutaniona pale na internet makuna siyokeregesi kiabo bila appointment. It is a two-way thing. Bata mwana muna batagetereje nda mwabu nandagete mbanya konseri. Asante sana ondigia so kunyara go waterana no murigere director Mtonga Kenya. Thank you so much amo na DJ Kate koru komenebere chama mbakaboniga nayo murigere. Asante sana so kunyara kwa mpenzi mtazamaji you know loving omorobere gwenyo butambe. Wednesday it is Women Crush Wednesday. See you tomorrow. John Komboka na lere taliane.
Thank you.
Turuko na nitrio. Wait, was it not there? All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.